Bird migrations are one of nature's greatest wonders, showcasing evolutionary prowess. Birds like Arctic terns travel monumental distances annually, guided by geomagnetic fields. This innate navigation is a result of complex evolutionary adaptations that allow them to chart their paths with precision. Migratory patterns also reveal how birds have adapted energy-efficient flying techniques, ensuring survival during extensive journeys. Researchers continue to study these patterns to comprehend the impact of changing climates on migratory behaviors, emphasizing the importance of conservation efforts.